All right, real quick, I want to show you guys how I lock down my truck camper, the window right here. And I'll show you what I came up with. It's really simple, really secure, stuff you can get right at your hardware store most likely. It may not work on every truck platform out there, obviously, depending on whether or not you have the same mounting points as I do in my 2000 Tundra, or if your build out exposes those points, or if it's kind of covered those up. Hopefully it'll be a good idea. You can take it with you, whether you can copy it, or at least take it as a good idea on how to secure the back of your truck camper when you're camping by yourself or wherever, whether you're overlanding or doing stealth camping like I like to do. I think hopefully you'll find this really helpful. So let me show you how I lock this up. All right, everybody, so as you can see, I have on my Tundra an eye hole here that I can mount. And what I have here is just some simple chain from the hardware store and a turnbuckle. And so I'm gonna show you how this works, how easy it is to secure down the truck. So let me jump in here and we'll pretend like I'm locking myself in. All right, so I'm inside the camper now and I'm just going to lock this. So the turnbuckle here, very simple, just unloosen it, hook it on like that, and then we're going to turn it to tighten. And as you can see, it's getting tight, and there we go. I've basically hand tightened it. Now I cannot pull that up at all, so no one couldn't even turn the thing, let alone open this up. So this thing is secure, Fort KNOX down, and I have this on both sides as well. So to open up, all you have to do is just turn it to unloosen, pull it right off. And so here's the other side, guys. I'm just gonna kind of expose it. So as you can see, I'm just gonna lock that there. So that is latched down, sorry, not locked. And now I'll just put the turnbuckle on there, hook it in, and we'll just turn to tighten. And you can see it starting to tighten there. And there it is. So again, now this can't be lifted up. That can't be pulled out. To get out, all you gotta do is unloosen it. A couple turns. And there it is. I just unscrewed the bottom turnbuckle, put it through my pieces of chain. And this chain is really, really easy to work with. Just find some cheap chain like this size. And all you have to do is just take some pliers and unravel a link. And you can size this as well without needing a chain cutter or anything. But the nice thing about this too is you just have to have an idea of your relative length, because the turnbuckle will make up for within about an inch or two of the difference. So that's it. That's how I locked down my truck camper. So hopefully you found that helpful. If I wasn't clear about anything, drop a comment down below, or if you just have anything to mention, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I will continue to post more of the little things I come up with in how I deal with my truck camper. So yeah, that's it. Stay safe and happy camping.